one more cosmic humiliation in a lifetime of cosmic humiliations. To be quite honest, I feel the universe is piling on at this point.
It was just some stupid article.
It wasn't stupid, though. It was spot on.
Do you really think my name sounds like first draft name?
Like a good first draft. Like, it's close.
And do you really not always have to help yourself?
Need to help yourself.
And do you really not always need to help yourself?
What are you talking about?
You know, during sex. At the time, you said you always needed to help yourself in order to reach climax. But when you were yelling at me, and then when you were yelling at me, you said that was a lie.
What happened to just pretending we didn't have sex?
I'm over that.
Why are you thinking about this again?
Are you kidding? I barely stopped thinking about it.
Listen, I was just trying to hurt your feelings because you hurt mine. It was a low blow. I apologize.
I'm not lying.
You don't lie.
I don't lie. I've been around long enough to know girls are most honest. To figure out that girls are most honest when they're trying to hurt someone's feelings.
It's not unusual for me to need to help myself. Feel better?
But you don't always have to.
Not always.
So what did I do wrong?
You didn't do anything wrong. It's just how people sync, how they fit together.
And we don't sync up well?
And we didn't see.
And we didn't sync up well?
Did you think we did?
That's how it is. That's how it is the first time when you're new
With someone.
with someone. But that's how it is the first time when you're new with someone. You're awkward with each other. You're afraid to say anything.
But it's not like that changes after the first time.